Hello, my friend. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to find the sample size needed for interval estimate of a population proportion. So this is the example. A researcher wishes to estimate within 95% confidence the proportion of people who own a home computer. A previous study shows that 40% of those interviewed had a computer at home. The researcher wishes to be accurate within 2% of the true proportion. Find the minimum sample size necessary. So this is a sample size calculation. So let's see what we have here. So it is 95% confidence. So for the confidence level equals 95%. And a previous study shows that 40% of those interviewed had a computer at home. So this is the sample proportion from a previous study, which is 40% equals 0.40 as a proportion. So you can calculate Q hat here, 1 minus P hat, which is 1 minus 0.40, 0.60. So another information is the researcher wishes to be accurate within 2%. So within 2% means your margin of error, in this case 2%, which is 0.02 as a percentage, as a decimal number. So then let's see what we need to calculate the sample size. So here population proportion sample size calculation. So sample size equals P hat Q hat times Z alpha over 2 divided by margin of error and whole square. So we know P hat, we know Q hat, we know margin of error, and we need to find this one, right? So since it is 95% confidence interval, so 1 minus alpha equals 0.95. Then alpha equals 1 minus 0.95, which is 0.05. So alpha over 2 is 0.05 divided by 2, which is 0.025. So now alpha over 2, this is the probability in one tail, right? Is the distribution, Z distribution here. This area under the curve is 0.025. This is alpha over 2. So here we have another tail, alpha over 2, 0.025. Middle part is the 95%. So you are looking at this number. So this number will be negative, this number will be positive. So Z-score corresponds to alpha over 2 probability, alpha over 2 area. Let's find using the Z-score table. So look at the probability 0.025 from the inside of the table, right? And then locate the Z-score. You will see it is negative 1.9 and the second decimal place is 0.6. So this is a negative number, right? But we only need the positive Z alpha over 2. So Z alpha over 2, which is Z corresponds to 0.025 area is 1.96. Okay. And we know everything. Now let's calculate the sample size. P hat is 0.40 times Q hat is 0.60 times Z alpha over 2 value is 1.96 divided by margin of error is 0.02 and then take the whole square. So this is 2300 or 4.96. We are looking at the sample size. So if you see a decimal numbers here, then you have to round up, right? Round up to the nearest integer. In this case, 2305 is the sample size. So I hope you understand this one. If you have any questions or concerns, please comment. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Bye.